Okay, we need to find the angle between two vectors. Let me draw it so you can see exactly what we're talking about. If we draw our vectors, the vector that goes over 5 and down 6 would go over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would look like that, and that would be the vector 5, negative 6. And the vector that goes backwards 4 and down 11 would go backwards 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 11. And would look like that. So this would be negative 4, negative 11. And we want to find the angle between them. So the angle that we want to find is this angle. This is the angle we're looking for. So the first and easiest way to do it is to find the direction of the first, find the direction of the second, and subtract the two. So let's find the direction of the first. So the first one is 5, negative 6. To find the direction, we do the tangent inverse. Tangent inverse of 6 over 5, which would be, let's go to our calculator and see, tangent inverse of 6 over 5 would be 50.19 degrees. Okay, so that would be 50.19 degrees. But that is not the direction, remember, because that angle is the reference angle. That angle is this angle. So this is 50.19 degrees. Our direction, on the other hand, is the angle starting from 0, which would be this. And since that's in the fourth quadrant, it would be 360 minus 50.19, which equals, let's go to our calculator and see, 360 minus 50.19 is 309.81 degrees. So this direction is 309.81. That's this, 309.81. Okay, then we find the direction of the second one. So let's find that, since it's in purple, let's find it in purple. Okay, that is negative 4, negative 11. To find the direction of that, you go tangent inverse of 11 over 4. Tangent inverse of 11 over 4 is 70.02. So that is 70.02 degrees. But again, that is not the direction. That is this angle right here. This is 70.02, which makes the direction 180 plus 70.02, which is 180 plus 70.02 equals 250.02. So this is 250.02, and this is 309.81. What's between them, you'd get by subtracting that. 309.81 minus 250 250.02 equals 309.81 minus 250.02 is 59.79 degrees. So the angle is 59. Let's do it in blue since that's where I started. This angle is 59.79 degrees. All right. And that is method